This is the motor stop assembly video for the Hewitt hydraulic lift. Lay out and inventory all of the parts. Slide the 1-inch carriage bolts into the hydraulic bunk. Attach the mounting plate using the 2 nuts. Go ahead and tighten the nuts up, and repeat on the other side. Based on the height of your transom, mount the base tube to the correct holes using the bolts and nuts. Set the length of the base tube extension to center the weight of your boat on your lift. Go ahead and tighten it down. Secure the plastic bumper to the support tube using the supplied 1¼ inch nuts and bolts. Slide the 2 1-inch carriage bolts into the support tube and attach it to the base tube extension. Tighten it down with the 2 nuts on the back. This completes the assembly of the Hewitt hydraulic motor stop.